All right, it's time to settle something once and for all. In the world of work and everyday life, is there a hidden hierarchy that decides who is supposed to say hello first? Or are we all just overthinking a simple hello? I didn't know that there was a hello hierarchy.
I love this girl talk.
A hello hierarchy. Wow.
So we have some scenarios.
Yes.
Well, first let me state, people would be sick of me and hello. Like, as I enter the room, I'm going to greet you.
Yeah.
People on the street, people in the supermarket. Sometimes people don't answer. It's okay. Say hello anyway. But apparently there is a discussion around who it should be first, starting with the OG versus the newbie.
Mm-hmm.
So should the newcomer always greet the veteran first out of respect?
If you walk into a room, you say, good morning,
person who
good
walks
afternoon.
in.
Yes. Whether you're the OG or whether you're the newbie, that's what I was.
That's how you're taught.
If you're first in the room.
When were you taught that?
From I was
Okay.
memory gem age.
Right. Are you still memory gem age?
Still doing it.
Right. But some things apparently have changed.
Wow.
The rules have shifted.
Right? No, but if the newbie is in the room and I walk in as the OG, I walk in and is the person in the room supposed to tell me hello first?
The OG, there are some OGs that believe that by virtue of being the OG, they should
have no manners?
They should be accorded the
right
honor,
to not have manners?
the honor of not having to speak first.
My memory
Thank
gem
God I don't know a lot
that
of those
part.
OGs. I'm so grateful.
No, I feel like, I will say if we are walking along a corridor, like if we simultaneously buck up, the older person, to me, you yield to the older person.
Yeah, out of respect.
Out of respect, you yield to the older person. So if we're walking down a corridor and I'm going to see somebody who is my senior, absolutely, I'm going to yield to that person and
Is
say,
your expectation that somebody your junior would yield to you?
I no longer have that expectation.
Because
of experience.
Okay, got it.
Some of the, if I feel there's potential for you to learn, I will stop you and I will say, hello. When an older person passing, you must remember to say, good afternoon, man. Don't just walk past people like that. But if I say that, and then the next time I see you, you're still walking, I'm walking too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm walking too. Because I feel like I'm not going to waste my energy trying to grow somebody who is stuck in not being... No, I'm not going to do it.
Think of whether this is a... Yeah. For me, it really doesn't matter.
Yeah. They said the celebrity versus the smaller name.
We're going to tell the person that them is a smaller name. Everybody's a star in their own mind.
Yeah. So, Jamaica people, first of all, everybody a celebrity.
Yeah,
Jamaica people, like I said, nobody not bigger than me. She not bigger than me. Yeah, who's she? So that rule is not going to apply here in Jamaica. Yeah.
Is there an expectation that it is a smaller name who should greet the celebrity? Isn't this the same thing as the OG versus the newbie though? Could be the same scenario.
No, because the two of it could be the same age.
True.
Two of it could be the same age.
True.
I just feel manners are manners. If you walk into a space that people already are, you just say hello and afternoon. Yeah. If you happen to enter, the older person, you yield to the older person. But I don't know about
older person versus
celebrity versus popular.
What about the host versus the guest?
Who hails who first when both meet backstage? The host.
Should be.
It should be the host. It's your environment and you've invited someone into it.
Just like here.
Mm-hmm. So you welcome them. So it should be the host first.
I agree.
Should be the host first.
The one who walked into the room versus the one who was already there. You spoke about that.
One who walked into the room. The person who makes eye contact first. That's a tricky one.
How so, Harris?
Because as I said, if I've already said to you, you got to do this. This is manners, and then you don't, we will never make eye contact in the future. Like if I see you coming, I'm gonna look up in the almond tree. I'm not even gonna look.
Whether there's an almond
I'm being
tree or
honest.
no.
I'm not going to. Yeah, like if me tell you, I'm not gonna force manners out of you every single time. So. Yeah, but people say, see you, and they say, not if I see you first. That's what I like to say, not if I see you first. So, yeah, people just need to have manners.
The board. Yeah.
You just have manners. Whether you're popular, whether you're not, whether you're OG, whether you're newbie, just respect
You know, wait for nobody.
people.
Me I say, howdy. If you answer me, that's fine. If you don't answer me, that's also good.
What I am going to do is, particularly in a work scenario, because if it's a personal scenario, I'm gonna leave it alone. But if it's a work scenario, I'm gonna school you on manners every time you forget. Because professional courtesy is not just a thing. You have a professional courtesy if you want to be professional and successful. And when you go to people's workplace, professional courtesy is a must.
So are we overthinking or are we not overthinking?
Well, apparently some people are not thinking about it enough.
At all.
Yeah. Because they think it's okay not to have manners. And let me tell you, manners can take you
Through the world.
through the world.
Granny was right.
Believe me when I tell you that.
Yeah.
That person you don't say good afternoon to, that person you don't say hello to, you never know who they are, who they know, and what they are capable of. And your name might pop up on something, and they say, oh, this guy has a great resume. Do you think we should hire him? And the person look and say, no, no manners. Can't work with him, no manners. So.
A simple hello, folks. Takes nothing off you. Nothing off you. All right, that is it for Girl Talk for this morning.
One hello
my God.
is how it's done. The hardest part is over.